Here with a 2006 Ford E-350 with the 5.4 liter engine with the noisy belt tensioner pulley. Inquirer minds want to know what that sounds like. To get to the belt tensioner, we'll first have to remove the airbox. This piece just pulls straight out. Then use an 8mm socket to remove the 4 fasteners. You can move the box aside without disconnecting the wiring harness. The belt tensioner is located just under the idler pulley. You'll need to use the 1/2-inch drive on the breaker bar, ratchet, or belt tool to relieve tension and remove the belt. It's also not necessary to remove the entire belt, but I'll be replacing it for preventative maintenance means anyway. You'll need a 10mm socket to remove the 3 fasteners on the belt tensioner. So this is what a pulley with a worn out bearing sounds like. And this is how it's supposed to sound. As with anything, you want to check your parts. You have the option of only replacing the pulley, but for an extra $10, it's worth it to just buy the whole tensioner assembly. Now, reinstallation of the belt can be a bit tricky. You want to start by making a loop and feeding it in between the idler and tensioner pulley. From underneath, I'm putting it around the AC pulley. Then from up top, I'm making another loop with the other end and feeding it in between the tensioner and water pump pulley. And from underneath, I'm wrapping it around the crank pulley. Then back up top, it slides over the water pump pulley, then over the power steering pulley, and you'll have to put tension on the belt to get it around the alternator. Then double check your belt to make sure it's put on the correct way. And if you're having trouble, the belt diagram should be located on the fan shroud.